go through our GJ trade. This was the trade where we secured a 1 to 20 risk to reward and 250 pips. Now let's get straight into it. So if we just delete everything, and alright, let's go. First things first, what I had identified was that break of structure on that 4-hour time frame. And if we just head over to that daily, overall we're in a uptrend, right? So again, when we're in an uptrend, we don't counter trend. We continue with the trend unless we get that major break of structure. So for example, if this pulled back, created a low below this recent low, I would have looked for sells. But in our case, we were just simply creating higher lows and higher highs. Now we got that break of structure. Once we identified that break of structure, I started to look for buying opportunities. So if I head back to that 4-hour time frame, and I play price back to this point over here. Right, so we have identified that we got that break of structure which created that higher high, and then we simply mark out that order block before price has broken over to the upside. Okay, so now we just play price and we wait for price to mitigate that order block. As we can see here, price has now mitigated our 4-hour POI. So if I just highlight that in grey, remove this, and just right over here, 4-hour POI. Now, once we got that reaction, I broke over to the lower time frame to get in my entry, and that is what I'd like to call the confirmation entry. So the entry was on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now again, this trade, we can see a very nice WYCKOFF schematic playing out. So if I just mark that out for you guys, we have our preliminary support, we have our selling climax, our automatic rally, just put that right over here, UA, our spring, now that I identified these phases of that WYCKOFF schematic, I simply waited for that break of structure, right? And we had achieved that break of structure at this point over here. Now once I identified that break of structure, I marked out the most recent order block, which was this 15-minute one right over here. Now if I just change the color, now this is where I took my entry off, the second test. Now we put our long position at this point over here, stop loss at the close of that candle, and TP, we targeted the inefficiency above. So it was this whole area over here. That was our TP. Extend that. Now let's play price. There we go, TP hit. 1 to 20 risk to reward, 250 pips right in the bag. Again, sorry I kind of rushed this. It's just nice quick trade. Again, any questions, drop it down below. Feel free to directly message me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you all enjoyed all of these breakdowns that I've done, and have a great day. Take care.